In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update SportPesa app. By updating SportPesa app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app. You'll also be able to fix any error or any issues that are related to your app. So if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and look for SportPesa app, either through Google Play Store or App Store, depending on your phone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and look for Play Store, and then from here search for SportPesa, and you can see my SportPesa app is here. So if I tap on it, you can see we have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of SportPesa betting app. To update this, go ahead and click on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of SportPesa betting app and then install it directly on my phone. Once this is done, now you can open your current SportPesa app, and now here you'll start using the latest version of this app. So that's how you can get the latest version of SportPesa app, by updating it to the latest version. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.